program completely curated for the children. He will be working with a group of children. He will be telling them the techniques on how to improve the memory. And definitely we have seen a very, very positive change when he had taken that session last year with few of our children. So we have included that also as part of our CCA club. So this is about, apart from the core subjects you have, I have explained you about the CCA. So apart from that, every class will have an art and craft class, library class, computer class, PE classes. There is mass PT every Saturday. There are yoga classes. We have a counselor also in case there is any issue with any of the child, the parents or the students can also approach her. Once in a week she will be available in our campus. Otherwise also taking prior schedule, you can come and meet the counselor, right? So this is, I'm really sorry that it's not very clear, but this is what it is, okay? They have music, dance, okay, art and craft. We have teachers who are completely trained in training the children. All this is part of the 45 periods which is there over the week. Yeah. So as I was telling, beyond academics, so we have integrated our sports, our PE classes, we have housewise competitions, and this year in particular we are having our sports day also coming up. So that will be in the month of November. So all your students can also be part of the sports day. So we have lot of customized, we include during the sports week, we include traditional games, we include games for parents. We also include lot of competitions across the year. It will be housewise competitions, individual team games. Okay, so encourage your children to be part of some sport or the other, right? Then we have comprehensive ICT curriculum. I hope you all would have purchased books for your children. So we have picked the computer books in such a way that the children will learn something very, very creative happening in their computer labs as well. So we have included that as part of our main curriculum itself, right? And during our CCA classes, apart from what the children will be learning in the regular computer classes, we have included coding classes also, which we have integrated in the curriculum itself. Right? Next. We have music, dance, heritage awareness. We have, when I say heritage awareness, last year we had something called Karnataka Darshana. The parents, I think existing parents, if you can just, parents who are already part of our school, if there are any parents, okay. I think you all would have witnessed, right? We had something called Karnataka Darshana, okay. The complete Karnataka's tour, each classroom was dedicated as one district of Karnataka, and we took through the entire Karnataka through various classrooms, right? So like that we try to bring in various, our heritage and culture in the form of exhibitions or small skits, so that children get to learn the significance and importance of that particular place or, state, and their food culture, who is governing the particular state, what crops are grown there, what kind of dances are done, how is the attire, what kind of food is eaten. The entire culture and heritage of this place has been brought in to our various programs. Right? We have educational tours and field trips as well. Few classes were taken to Vishveshwaraya Museum last year, and we had taken children of 8th and 9th to Jollywood as well. So this year we are planning to increase the number of educational trips and try to bring it down to certain classes as well. So let's see how it goes. With the response of the parents, we will take a call, right? So along with our period bifurcation, if you would have seen, one period every fortnight is also allocated for activity and competition. Now all this, whatever I am sharing, will be in the handbook. So this activity and competition will be printed in the student handbook. We will be sharing it to all the parents through student handbook. Now I would like to actually take little time in explaining about this activity and competition. These activities and competitions are for every every single child who is part of the school, starting from grade 1 to 10. Okay. We have curated these activities and competitions in such a way that every child gets to participate, not just in one style. In the sense, a child may be good at talking, child may be good at drawing. We have made sure that the activities are designed in such a way that, let's go through chess activities and competitions of grade 1 to 3. Stride montage, leaf collage, depending upon their age group we have designed, because June month is the month where environmental day is there. So we have tried to embed, depending upon which month, what is the significance. Okay. Now, these activities and competitions can take place in a very, very fruitful way only if the parents support. When I say there is a debate competition, okay, the school will prepare the child, or there is a essay writing competition, or there is a pick and speak competition. Parents also should make sure that the child is well prepared for the competition which is being conducted by the school, right? So unless and until you all don't support, you all don't prepare your child and send, the essence of conducting that, the feel factor of, the competitive spirit will not come. Okay, so make sure that last year our parents said, no, we were not aware when the competition was held. You will be aware only when you open, there is something called handbook and see. Any communication happening in the school, you will be aware only if you open the handbook and check what is happening. Okay, but in spite of it, our teachers take effort to send it in the WhatsApp groups, or we have a Novo app which the teachers will be telling you on how to register to that app. But make sure that you are checking with your child on what instructions the teachers have given, what is the materials required for that. So this time what we have done is, apart from telling the parents that this month this competition will be there, we have also chosen the dates. On these dates, these competitions will be held in their class. So you can prepare your children well in advance for that competition. 15 days prior to the competition, we will be sending a poster which will have a clear details on what materials to be used, what kind of, what is that competition or the activity, what is the expectation from the student to do. Okay, should it be in an A4 size sheet, should it be in an A3 size sheet, should they use watercolors, should they use spray colors, should they use a canvas, or what kind of things should be used by the students. We'll give a clear poster with the indication on how the activity will be conducted. Is it clear, parents? So unless and until you don't send with complete preparation, whatever we have planned will completely go waste. So make sure that your children are completely trained and tuned to participate. Only then their skills also will improve, right? So this also will be printed in the calendar, in the handbook. This I have just kept one snapshot of what is being printed in our handbook. Okay, so if this is how you have to plan your holidays, vacations, because we will 99.9% we will stick on to these dates. If we tell that formative assessment 1 is scheduled from 25th to 29th of June, we stick on to 26th to 29th. So make sure that you are not traveling those days. Come up with excuses saying that I could not, I did not see, I could not see, communication did not reach. No. Everything is already printed in the handbook. So plan your holidays, prepare your children based on the calendar. Just beginning of the month, you just go through this particular page and check what are the events which are planned for this particular month for your child. You will get a complete idea and glimpse, right?